So if you've been dreaming of growing your YouTube channel and looking for a website where you can create unlimited videos for free, this video is just for you. Get ready to unlock your creativity and take your channel to the next level. This is the video you're watching. And yes, it's a horse video. Can you believe how high resolution this video is? I made it using this free tool. First, open Chrome. When you're ready, type Google Opal in the browser. Now it will open and you need to click on the first link below. Once you do that, you'll see the interface. Here, you have to log in with Google. After logging in, click on Create New. You'll see an interface like this, okay? Here, we're going to make our own app. You can see inside it there's a space to describe what you want to build. Whatever you type here, it will create it for you automatically. After that, you can even make videos inside it. I've saved a prompt from here, and I'll give it in the description below. Simply copy it and paste it here. Now it will automatically create a workflow app for you where you can make high-quality resolution videos. You can create both unlimited image to video and text to video. Now let's wait a little. Look here, it has created a workflow for us. You can see the text to image input, upload image, and everything in it. Below, we have the video section, where we need to click on Start. Here, I have a prompt for the image. I'll copy it, paste it into Image FXAI, and make a high-quality image. Once done, we move on to the video creation. Here, we'll paste our simple text for the animation. After that, upload your image and give it to us, then just click on Next. After a little while, it will generate the video for us. Once the video is ready, click on the 3 dots and download it. And that's it. Your high-quality video is ready to use. Watch this video. Isn't the quality just amazing? And guess what? You can make your own unlimited videos too. If you liked this video and learned something from it, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And now I want to hear from you. On which topic should I make the next video? Share your idea in the comment box below.